Your friendly guide to numbers. Ever wondered what accounting is? It's not just for big companies or math experts. Accounting is simply the story of your money, where it comes from and where it goes. Think of it as your financial map. This map helps you understand your financial health. Accounting is for everyone, not just businesses. In plain English, accounting means recording financial transactions. Any event involving money. Buying groceries? That's a transaction. Getting paid? Another transaction. Accounting organizes these events so you can see the bigger picture. It's not about complex math, it's about clarity. Knowing the basics helps you make smarter decisions. It's useful for your personal life, your business, or even your local club. Understanding accounting empowers you to plan for the future and avoid mistakes. It's like a superpower for your wallet. This guide will break down the basics in simple terms and examples. No finance degree needed. Our goal: make accounting approachable and useful. By the end, you'll see accounting isn't a monster. It's a helpful friend. Ready to manage your money more effectively? Let's get started on your journey to financial clarity. You'll be surprised how quickly you can learn. Accounting is about making your money work for you. It's the foundation for financial confidence. Let's dive in and make sense of your finances. Welcome to the world of accounting. Making sense of your money. Why care about accounting? Because it helps you understand your money. Without it, your finances can feel like a mystery. Accounting shines a light on where your cash goes and if you're making a profit. For individuals, it's key for budgeting, saving, and planning big purchases. Imagine saving for a vacation without knowing your income and expenses. It's like filling a leaky bucket. Accounting helps you find and fix those leaks. For businesses, accounting is essential. It tells you if you're profitable, what you owe, and what you're owed. It also helps you meet legal requirements like taxes. Good records save you headaches and money. Accounting provides facts for decision-making. No more guesswork. You can make choices based on real data, leading to better outcomes and less stress. Ultimately, accounting is about your financial well-being and success. It's an investment in your future. Whether you're buying a phone or hiring an employee, accounting gives you the answers. It's the backbone of smart money management. Take control. Don't let your finances be a mystery. Accounting is your tool for clarity and confidence. Start using it today. Let's talk about one of the most important words in accounting: assets. Assets are simply things you own that have value. They're the good stuff in your financial picture, resources that can help you in the future. Assets can be sold for cash or used to make money. For individuals, assets include cash, your house, car, investments, and even valuable jewelry. These items add up to your net worth. Knowing your assets gives you a clear view of what you have. It's like taking inventory of your wealth. For businesses, assets include cash, buildings, equipment, inventory, and money owed by customers, accounts receivable. Assets are what a business uses to operate and grow. Without assets, neither people nor businesses can function well. Tracking your assets helps you see your financial strength. If your assets are growing, your wealth is increasing. It's not just about counting what you have, it's about knowing how it helps you reach your goals. Assets are the foundation of your financial life. Understanding them is the first step to smart money management. Know what you own, and you'll know your financial power. Assets are your starting point. Now let's look at the other side of the coin: liabilities. Liabilities are what you owe, your debts and obligations. They're a normal part of life, but understanding them is crucial. For individuals, liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, and student loans. Any money you need to pay back is a liability. Knowing your total liabilities helps you manage debt and avoid trouble. For businesses, liabilities include loans, accounts payable, unpaid wages, and taxes. These are claims against your assets. Too much debt can be risky. If liabilities outweigh assets, you're in a tough spot. Tracking liabilities helps you plan to reduce debt and avoid taking on too much. It's about keeping a healthy balance. Understanding what you owe is key to financial stability. Don't ignore your liabilities, face them head-on. Managing them well keeps you financially secure. Liabilities are part of the big picture. Know what you owe and you'll stay in control. Balance is everything. Let's move on to a more exciting topic: income. Income is the money you earn or receive. It's the inflow of cash or assets. Most people get income from a job, salary, or wages. But income can also come from interest, dividends, rental payments, or side hustles. Identifying all your income sources gives you a full picture of your earning power. More income means more flexibility. For businesses, income is called revenue, the money earned from selling goods or services. Tracking revenue shows how well a business is doing. Knowing your total income is the first step in budgeting. Once you know what's coming in, you can plan how to spend or save. Want to save more? Look for ways to increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side business, or investing. Understanding income is about knowing your capacity to build wealth. It's the fuel for your financial engine. Track it, grow it, and use it wisely. Income is your starting point for financial success. Make every dollar count. Section 6. Where does it go? Tracking your expenses. Expenses are the costs you incur, the money you spend. Tracking expenses is crucial for managing your cash flow. Many people are surprised by where their money actually goes. Without tracking, overspending is easy and saving is hard. For individuals, expenses can be fixed like rent, variable like groceries, or occasional like car repairs. Keeping track helps you create a realistic budget and spot spending habits. For businesses, expenses include the cost of goods sold, salaries, rent, and marketing. High expenses can eat up profits, even if sales are strong. Controlling costs is key for success. Tracking doesn't have to be complicated. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app. The important thing is consistency. Record all expenses, even small ones. They add up. Once you know where your money goes, you can make informed choices. Align your spending with your goals and values. This empowers you to make changes if needed. Conscious spending beats restrictive living. Expenses are part of the financial story. Don't ignore them. Track, review, and adjust as needed. That's how you stay in control. Section 7. Keeping score. Simple record keeping for everyone. How do you keep track of assets, liabilities, income, and expenses? Through record keeping. Good records are the foundation of accounting. You don't need to be an expert. Simple methods work. The goal is an organized system to find information and track progress. Keep all financial documents, bank statements, pay stubs, bills, receipts in one place. Use folders or scan and store them digitally. This makes tracking and tax time much easier. For income and expenses, a simple spreadsheet works well. Record every transaction, money in and out. Apps and banking tools can help automate this. The habit matters more than the tool. Update your records regularly, at least weekly. Regular tracking lets you create simple financial statements. See if you're spending more than you earn and track your net worth. These numbers help you stay on track with your goals. Record keeping is like a financial checkup. Know where you stand and you'll feel empowered. Section 8. Timing is everything. Cash versus accrual accounting explained. There are two main ways to record income and expenses: cash accounting and accrual accounting. The difference is all about timing. Cash accounting records income when you get paid and expenses when you pay them. It's simple and common for personal finances and small businesses. Accrual accounting records income when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, even if cash hasn't changed hands yet. This method matches revenues with related expenses for a clearer business picture. Cash accounting shows your actual cash flow. Accrual accounting shows profitability over time. Larger businesses usually use accrual accounting. For most people, cash accounting is enough. Small businesses might start with cash and switch to accrual as they grow. Knowing both methods helps you understand financial reports. Choose the method that fits your needs. Timing matters. Pick the right approach for your situation. Understanding this helps you make better financial decisions. Section 9. Accounting power. Making smarter choices with your finances. We've covered what accounting is, key terms, record keeping, and accounting methods. The big takeaway: basic accounting skills empower you to make smarter money choices. When you understand your finances, you're in control. You can create realistic budgets and set achievable goals. Accounting turns vague wishes into concrete plans. It reduces financial stress and helps you spot problems early. Are expenses higher than income? Is debt growing? Are assets stagnant? Accounting helps you see these red flags. Take action before small issues become big problems. Basic accounting is a life skill for everyone, not just business owners. It helps you make informed decisions every day. Should you take a loan? Can you afford a vacation? Is your side hustle profitable? Accounting gives you the answers. Mastering the basics means mastering your money. You're setting yourself up for a secure, prosperous future. Use accounting as your roadmap. Make smarter choices, reduce stress, and build wealth. That's the power of accounting.